How to log in into Amazon Prime in laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can log in into Amazon Prime in laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, in your laptop, open up a browser of your preferred choice. And in the search bar, type in primevideo.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna land you to official web page of Amazon Prime Video. Now to log in, head towards the top right corner. There you'll have this profile icon. Hover your mouse over there and from here click on sign in button. That's gonna take you to the sign in page. So here you have to enter the email or mobile phone number associated with your Amazon account. Once you're done entering your email or phone number associated with your account, click on continue. Then you will be asked to enter your password. Make sure to type in the correct password. In case you forgot your password, there is a link provided here that says forget password. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's going to help you recover your password. And then you can log in using your password. Here, once you're done typing in your password, now click on sign in button. If you have entered the correct login credential, you will be directly logged into your Prime Video account, as you can see. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.